All right, we're in Module 5.2, and now we're going to work with negative exponents with algebraic expressions. And the rule doesn't change. In algebra, when we say to simplify, one of the most important things to understand is no answer should ever be given with a negative exponent. When you're asked to simplify an algebra expression, your answer should always be written with a positive exponent. Well, now we know the trick. To make any exponent that's negative positive, we just need to do the reciprocal of the base, or the multiplicative inverse, which is the correct terminology. So if you look at my example in your notes, I have on the slide the expression x to the negative fourth. That does not make sense. You cannot write the letter x negative 4 times. So we know every time we see a negative exponent, to make it positive, we have to do the reciprocal of the base. Who is the base there? It is an x. Well, to do a reciprocal of it, that means we need to flip it. Okay? First of all, how do you write x as a fraction? Well, you write x as a fraction as you write any whole number as a fraction. You put it over 1. So you have x over 1 to the negative 4 exponent. Now if you flip that, x over 1, the reciprocal becomes 1 over x. So what happened is the x was in the numerator and it moved down to the denominator. So now you have 1 over x 4 times. And we understand that. By doing the reciprocal of the base, that makes your exponent positive, and that allows you to proceed and work out your expression. Because we know what it means to, when we say 1 over x to the 4th power. It means 1 over x times 1 over x times 1 over x times another 1 over x. And multiplying fractions is no problem. Top times top, bottom times bottom. So when we take our numerator, 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, we get 1. When we take our denominator and we multiply x times x times x times x, well, we learned when we multiply letters, we add their exponents. How many x's are down there? 1, 1, 1, and 1 make 4. And that's where we get the answer 1 over x to the 4th. So the rule is, when we're dealing with algebra expressions, if you see a negative exponent, you must make it positive first by doing the reciprocal of the base. All a reciprocal does is change locations. If the x is in the numerator and it has a negative exponent, then it's going to come down to the denominator and become a positive exponent. If x was in the denominator and had a negative exponent, then it would come to the numerator. All reciprocal means is we're going to flip. So now we're going to go to the video and try some examples of this. See you in a little bit.